Nasty motherfucking mayor. 4 motherfuckers, I done told y'all this is my motherfucking city. I'm the purest around here on this motherfucking shit. Real shit. You know what I'm saying? Don't nobody sound like me, pound like me. You know what I'm saying? Or put it down like me. Adam.
Devil! Devil! You have no power over my city. No power over my city. Devil! Devil! It's time. Yeah, no power. We are solving bitch. So devil! It's time to let it go. It's time to let it go. Devil! SAGNASTY'S motherfucking nasty. It's going up, it's going up. Wow, the motherfucking bitch, dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Everybody just angry, angry, angry. You devil, let my city go. You got no motherfucking power over us. No more. No devil, let my motherfucking city go. You motherfucking kick you with a motherfucking nuke back to that motherfucking, yeah, keep him motherfucking attached on motherfucking Pyrex. Them fellas flow. That bitch didn't break, but it got the chip in it, so I know the day gon' be real chippy. So I ain't leaving the house with all my homies skipping. Skip him, hit him. Come through, motherfucker, like a genius. It's all a motherfucking real. Yeah, we getting all the demons, I get power over here. All I'm trying to do is stack my chips. Come up through this motherfucker, through the thing. I ain't trying to kill, trying to maim, trying to lame shit. All I wanna do is just stack my chips. But the devil study, shit. All these hoe ass niggas, all these weak bitches, my motherfucking way with these motherfucking games. Make me wanna just put one in their motherfucking brain. Just go bananas, get leave a stain. Just got me like Tupac, bring the pain. Devil, yeah, devil, devil. Tryna let my city go. Tryna let it go. All this motherfucking killing, all this wildin' out, all this drug dealing, all this motherfucking hatred, all this motherfucking make me hate you. Man, niggas acting like bitches, killing these motherfucking hoes. Niggas acting like bitches. What's wrong with y'all killing these motherfucking hoes? I said, devil, let my motherfucking city go. We don't need you no more. Devil, let my motherfucking city go. Yeah, bitch. Remix! Put the animal on this shit. It's a motherfucking dope game, nigga, yeah. Unwrap that motherfucking sack, throw the shit up on the scale, nigga, yeah. That shit gon' come back, ain't not the motherfucking fish scale, nigga. That scale ain't fit. What you talking about, motherfucker? Yeah, hit me. Some of this, yeah, shit moves by word of mouth, motherfucker, yeah. From the north to the south, the motherfucker, yeah, nigga to the motherfucker, get wet. Motherfucker can't fuck with this shit here's the bet, nigga, yeah. Throw me 700 for that ounce, nigga, yeah. Watch this motherfucker bounce back, nigga, yeah, contact. Watch the motherfucking things be running up on new track. Watch your motherfucking money run up. Fucking around with me, motherfucker, yeah, no cut. It's the motherfucking dope gang, bitch. It's the motherfucking dope gang, bitch. It's the motherfucking dope gang, bitch. And what you in it for? You ain't trying to get trained, bitch. I'm out here all night, motherfucker, all night, motherfucker, fucking flight, fucking pop me a motherfucking triple stack. I'm up for 4 days and I swear I'm on that. I got the motherfucking on swole, got the motherfucking neighborhood fraud. I got the niggas, yeah, they hating, they waiting for my dog found, but keep waiting. Your pussy's been had me in a layaway, loose motherfucker. I'm out here, pussy nigga, fuck the truth, nigga. I'm in the motherfucking game. I'm back, pussy nigga, and I'm here to bring the pain. Let it rain, motherfucker, let them shots drop. When it come to my motherfucking money stop, I'm the motherfucking, yeah, I'm the motherfucker that y'all been waiting for, nigga, yeah, truckload. Coming in next week, bitch, yeah, get ready, cause I'm finna flood the streets, bitch, yeah. Just a motherfucking dope game, fentanyl, heroin, cocaine, fired up like propane. Motherfucker going crazy like Charlie Jane. Out here, motherfucker trying to leave a stain. And ain't nobody to blame. This is pushing up motherfucking lies. Got the curse, so see nigga, the enterprise. Okay, bitch. With my motherfucking ratchet nigga, having my motherfucking ratchet nigga, got a big fat crack nigga. What you talking about, nigga? I'm buying it, I'm slinging the weed, nigga. You know I got a good herb, ho. What you talking about, nigga? Just fuck up, they gon' find you on the curb, blow. Oh, where the fuck out? Pistol in your mouth, motherfucker. Yeah, brains blow straight out. Y'all be talking about it. All the fuck he talking about? I live my life, I talk my life, and I'ma show gon' walk my shit. I ain't worried about a damn nigga riding up on side. You can get that blick, bitch. Yeah, noodle, nigga, motherfucker. Yeah, motherfucker, spaghetti brains, bitch. What's up? Fuck that. Get it hot and get it heated. Yeah, sit back and watch these bullets open up. Watch your bitch ass start to bleed. Blood run. Bitch ass nigga, get me turned. Bitch, now on that murder, fuck fun. Fuck if you did some, fuck if you wrong, fuck if you tried me, bitch. I'm just out here on that tip with this motherfucking Glock, bitch. I let that motherfucker ride, bitch, nigga, while I slide. Yeah, nigga, hit the brakes and check the lies. Don't never get twisted, bitch, don't never think that I ain't dead. So, bitch, I'm still able to put one in your whole ass head. If I let you slide, better count your motherfucking blessings, you little whole ass bitch. Caught me in the right mood, cause you ain't a dead ass bitch. I can take this shit as a rap and a motherfucking verse. Wine up with your little pussy ass in a hearse. I live with my motherfucking leg, ratchet, yeah, be having my ratchet, purse, pussy, nigga, yeah, she be wanting you to snatch it, so she can pop that 30, and go bananas, yeah, bitch, empty out the whole stick, I let my little bitch do some wet work real quick, yeah, nigga, slide the fuck off, she put the pistol down and throw the dick in her mouth, gangsta, bitch, y'all hate me, cause y'all motherfuckers can't fade me, trying to use all type of motherfucking shit, little bitches, little fake ass moves, animal, animal, nigga, got some sticks, animal, all up in this bitch, animal, nigga, watch your car flip, animal. Little bitch dip. Yeah.
SAGNASTY motherfucking Mayor 4. I done told y'all this is the OG. This is my motherfucking city. The OG. This is my city.
I'm about to set it on with my little young tender with the pretty motherfucking titties trying to talk to me shitty. Bop, to all my motherfucking off to my enemies. Man, I hit them with the third motherfucking degree. Man, worried about now, motherfucker trying to see me. And if you freaky enough, turn the session into 3D. I'm speaking ill of my name in the streets, bitch. That's blasphemy. I'm real ill with the motherfucking pill. So don't be asking me. Flash out, nigga, bang. With the bangle, bang. And watch you bleed out, nigga. To the animal, it ain't no thing. All shivering and shaking, all sizzling like bacon. Gunpowder and flesh. Motherfucker, high school, is this a test? Ooh, so much heat. So much drama in the street. Oh, she said you got so much beef. I said, yeah, you got a little bit left in your teeth. Cocaine, whipper, snapper with the whipper. Coming through this motherfucking little two-hole. I'm feeling like a Jack Tripper. Huh? Yeah, turned him to a stripper. Man, deal with it, nigga. Not the matic. I got the automatic. Send me for the static, bitch. Whoa. Slap the bitch, cause she half closed my down. No apologizing, motherfucker, cause my frequency steady rising. Bitch, yeah, I stay hotter than a motherfucker. Cloud motherfucking 9. Pull out the 9, hit you with that bitch 9 times. Nigga, no flake. Yeah, I know that nigga Jake. Got them motherfucking Doug or them double ups. Motherfuckers trying to come up. Yeah. Waking up, no pressure on my chest. Waking up, no pressure on my chest. Thinking about leaving the house without my pressure. Waking up, no pressure. Cocaine, recognize. Nigga kept the curtain, nigga, yeah, the enterprise. Motherfucker, oh, I ghost when I slide. When the time I see it in your eyes. Jealousy, I'm out here, motherfucker. I wish a bitch would my key. My motherfucker seen my set. Bitch, nigga, yeah, prepare to get wet. Old school with the 22 check. Coming through this motherfucker, fuck, trying to check. A pussy ass nigga came through this motherfucker, bloody river. Bitch, let him run. Old school in this motherfucker shit. I was raised by a gun, and I woke up, no pressure on my chest. Bitch, ooh, I'm feeling like leaving the house today with no vest. I'm here, yeah, in motion, yeah. Glide on, nigga, yeah. Motherfucker, I'm on it. Dollar, y'all. Yeah, keep on stacking. Any more that you get, motherfuckers, you got to start watching out for the motherfucking jackets that go from your motherfucking bitch to your home. Yeah, to your motherfucking homeboy, to that motherfucking customer coming to your door. Baby, yeah, let's take flight. Ooh, yeah, roll up some of that shit we was smoking last night. Had me right. Ooh, yeah, I'm loving my life. Standing on business, don't need no winning, all up in my shit. Feeling like shit. They wanted me locked down, all up in my mind, but I broke out that bitch. Woke up with no pressure. Oh, no pressure. Yeah. talk about shit. When I was down and out, like Corleone, then back to the ring. When nobody talking shit.
Shut the fuck up.
When I was down and out, now I'm like Michael Corleone, niggas damn near to a brick. Ain't never been handed no handouts. Throw some good test to hit it straight up out. Oh, I had you knocked off the bitch for a motherfucker now. I'm on the court, I'm like, fuck it, don't throw the balls out. Let's see how these motherfuckers, yeah, really go about. So 30 to 45 and had this whole place out. Then slide over, I look, yeah, whole house. Soon as I hit the door, that she throw it straight up, man, I'm out. Crying, somebody just had a look, boo out. Gave her an 8, cracked her grin, and bitch, I'm out. Stay up on that animal shit, so they shit talk about. Move around my city like, it's a 100 house. Know that there ain't no cash, but so bitch, I stay ready to blow. Like a bad fit, yeah, I push you to the floor. Fuck all that shit, bitch, I want my name in your mouth. I love being a motherfucker to be talked about. Shut the fuck up, what nobody, yeah, talking shit, saying shit when I was down and out. I'm back like Corleone to a brick, bitch. What nobody talking, yeah, what am I saying shit? Now I'm back like Corleone, down to a brick. Yeah. Never drove a Hellcat, but I've been all up in a Hellcat. No animal from the motherfucking back, bringing the hell out that cat. Everything I ever loved, them play me like shit, so don't twist it, just so you can't see through my tent. You look, bitch, I'm the cable guy, motherfucker. Oh, I'm cooking shit, trust no motherfuckers, always remember money, bitch. I'm moving silence, yeah, for real around this bitch. I'm moving silence around this bitch. I'm still a fan of violence, bitch. It's your ding-a-ling when I'm in the kitchen whipping shit. Elizabeth Taylor, yeah, white diamonds, glass house, bitch. Throw it against the wall, watch that motherfucking house bounce. I know the truth, bitch, I really wanna take me out. Envy and jealousy, oh, yeah, it's really a bitch. Niggas, yeah, y'all can't fuck with this. Yo, motherfucker Kool-Aid man, flood this pussy out while I continue push the show out. Shut the fuck up. Wasn't nobody talking, saying shit when I was down and out. Like Corleone, I was back with a mother. Like Corleone, shut the fuck up. Wasn't nobody talking or saying shit. I was down and out. Bitch, like Corleone, I was to a break. Wasn't nobody talking or saying shit.
Sag Nasty motherfucking married motherfucking foe. The motherfucking OG. I done told y'all this is my motherfucking city. This the purest you ever gonna get this motherfucking shit ever. You know what I'm saying? OG. Sag Nasty married motherfucking foe.